In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the Forum Settings tab under Forum Discussion Settings. These settings control how members interact inside forums, including posting behavior, reply structure, and editing rules. Let's get started. This section is where you control how forum discussions behave across your community. First is disallow editing after. This lets you set a time limit for how long members can edit their forum replies after posting. Once the time window expires, the post becomes locked and cannot be edited. This helps maintain content consistency and improves moderation control. Next is throttle posting every. This sets a required waiting period between posts for each member. It helps reduce spam, prevent duplicate submissions, and encourage more thoughtful discussions. Next is reply threading. This enables nested replies so members can respond directly to specific comments instead of only replying to the main thread. You can also define how many levels deep replies can be nested, which is useful for organizing complex discussions in active forums. Now let's look at discussions and replies per page. This section controls how many items are shown before pagination appears. Forums sets how many forum categories appear per page in the main directory. Discussions controls how many topics are shown inside each forum. Replies defines how many replies are displayed inside a discussion before the page splits. These settings help balance performance and readability, especially in larger communities, and that's how you configure forum settings. These options help you control structure, performance, and discussion flow inside your forums.